Welcome to day 7 of the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Today we have a whole day dedicated to a cool project, and this project will be building at Hangman, or the code equivalent of the game. If you don't know what Hangman is, you can explore it in a different language as well, as I know that's different names for each country. But the way it essentially works is you're asked to guess a word, and then you are shown the blanks first, and then you'll guess by inputting a random letter. And every time you get it right, a figure is drawn, and you take away a life till a man is drawn. And if the full completion of the drawing is done for the hangman, then you lose the game. But every time you get it right, no life is taken away, and the game continues. So essentially, you just need to guess the hidden word by not killing the character by not guessing wrongly, not guessing right, sorry. So this is the chart flow, which sort of shows you the logic behind it from that we need to work on. So essentially, you will start the game, generate a random word, for example, hangman, and generate as many blanks as the letters in the word. So hangman, Hangman. So that would be like 7 words. 7 letters, sorry. And then ask the user to guess a letter. If the user guesses the letter in the word, replace the blank with the letter. And then if all the blanks are not filled, you go back and the user input another letter. And then if the guessed letter the second time around is wrong, then the user will lose a life. If they have to run out of lives, no, then they'll go back. The game continues all the way to blanks that are either filled or they have run out of lives. Great. So this is the starting position of the Hangman challenge. So it's been split out in different challenge
You can see that's not in
sections.
the word.
Okay, so here we have the first to do. Create a code that randomly chooses a word from the word list and assign it to a variable called chosen word. Okay. So chosen underscore word equals word underscore list random. Wait, what was it called? A random choice. Random choice Python. Okay. Random dot choice. Yes, it's plurals. Choices. Okay. Dot. What is that? Random dot choices. No. Random dot choices. Word underscore list. And to use the random package, I first need to import it. Import random. Okay. And then okay, print. Let me just print it out. Print chosen underscore word. Oh, perfect. It works. See, prints out the random word each time. Okay, so that is the to-do list 1 done. To-do number 2. Ask the user to guess a letter and assign the answer to a variable called guess. Make guess lowercase. Okay. Guess is the verb. Equals so input. Okay. Okay, wait. Ask the user to guess a letter and assign the answers to a variable. Input guess a letter Okay. Okay. And Python lowercase. Python lowercase. Kilometers. Lower. S equals kilometer. That's that lower. Okay. That lower. So guess equals guess dot lower. No. Lower dot. It needs to be that lower somewhere. Probably do like that. Okay. To do 3, check if the letter the user guess is one of the letters in the chosen word. If any, in. So in and for. So it will be the in for letter in chosen word for letter in chosen for letter in chosen word if statement probably if letter what I need to do. So each letter I need to check if letter equals guess print right else print wrong. Let me guess. Indent B wrong A okay no A wait that's an A in each one. A should work. Uh, wait guess equals input s letter dot lower. Yep. Of import to random. Chosen word equals random dot choice. Random dot choice. Word list. Wrong. Right. Wrong. Okay. I think I need to tweet it. Should only be one answer, right? Else if. No, I think that's it. Let me move on to step 2. So this is step 1 in the game. Let's move on to step 2. Welcome back to step 2. In this step, we are going to replace the blanks. So this is the starting code from the last section 1. Okay, let's see what it's asking us to do. Create empty list called display. For each letter in the chosen word, add a underscore to display. So if the chosen word was apple, display should be like this. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 underscores in a list representing each letter to guess. Okay, so yep, let me edit my own version. Okay, display empty list will just be like that, nothing inside it. And then we are saying for underscore in word list, chosen word. For in range, length of chosen word. Length of chosen word. Okay. For underscore ancient word. Display plus equals plus equals to for each underscore. So I'm adding underscores to each one and just see what that does. So baboon, we have 6. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's working. Okay, let me just move that back up again. So that is working. To do 1 is done. To do 2, loop through each position in the chosen word. If the letter at that position matches guess, then reveal the letter in the display at that position. For example, if the user guessed P and the chosen word was apple, then display P and P in the second and the third. Okay. Chosen word. To delete this, so I'll keep it. Okay, let's go down. For position in range, chosen underscore word. So for each position, rest of our position, in range, length, and score words, I want to. So for example, here will be baboon. I want to add a underscore to the correct letter. If letter equals guess, then I need to okay, if it matches, then I need to say underscore. Letter equals for position with letter was chosen word display. Oops. It's a bit confusing. Okay. Flutter. Lift this up. Letter equals equals guess, and the letter equal. If this is the correct letter again, then I just want a letter to be displayed. Position else print wrong. Else print wrong. Okay. Print display, and you see the guess letter in the correct position everywhere. Use the guess method. We'll tackle that in step 3. Okay, print display. Line 37. Indentation. Okay, so that's working. Perfect. Let's move on to step 3 to see, to guess the next letter. Okay, back to solution 3. So let's read the first to-do list. Use a while loop to let the user guess again. The loop should only stop once the user has guessed all the letters in the chosen word and display has no more blanks. Then you can tell the user they've won. Alright, while loop, let's go. While, okay. Oh, what's the while loop about? Guess again, so guess equals input, guess a letter. Okay, so all of it needs to be indented, so I'm gonna do tab. Yep. While, let me write, the condition will be while, okay, let's do end of game equals false. So while not end of game, then you can loop through. So they can keep trying while the game is not ended. But this will not stop. So this needs to be stopped at some time. Also become an infinite loop. What should I say? If the underscore is not in display. Hold on, I think I saw it here somewhere. While loop. Yeah, the ink. Current list print. Okay, not in display. And of game equals true. Print you win. A. Wow. Okay. Okay. So I think yeah, it's adding letters each time, as you can see. And try R. Yeah, R has been added. Perfect. So that's the end of step 3. Let's move on to step 4, where we are going to check or keep track of the players' lives. So we are on to the 4th step in the Hangman game. Okay, so at the top we've added SKI to sort of add visuals to the game. Okay, so it's asking me to do number 1, create a variable called live to keep track of the number of lives left. Set live to equal 6. Okay. So lives equals 6. Okay, because I think that's 6 times you can get it wrong. Testing code to do 2. If guess is not a letter in the chosen word, then reduce lives by 1. If lives go down to 0, then the game should stop and it should print out you lose. So okay. Okay. To print. If letter, check as letter. If guess display position equals letter. Okay, here. So this is a print statement I need to do. But I need to reduce it by 1, so it'd be plus equals plus, no, minus equals. So if guess not in chosen word. Lives minus equal 1. And then if lives goes down to 0, if lives equals 0, print you lose. You lose, okay, that's that. And then join all the elements in the list and turn it into a string. One second, what does this look like? C for camel. A M E L. You win. Ah, okay. Oh yeah. So oh right. Okay. So it seems like now we sort of set up the boilerplate of the game. So now we just need to sort of, I think, next step, incorporate the drawings. So to do 3, print the ASCII out on stages across the current number of lives the user has. So the stages equals this. So 0. Oh, so separate by a comma. Print stages and then the number of lives. So the list and then a number. Yeah, just type in wrong deliberately. Okay. Okay, so that's done. The ASCII, so that is just a variable called stages in a list format, and then the number in the list is going to be the life that you have. So if you have life number 5, we'll give you 5 in the stages. Okay, so then let's move on to step 5, and then I think this is the final step that's left. Let me just pause it. The final step of the Hangman game. So yeah, in this challenge 5 of the Hangman solution. Okay, so yeah, we've got quite a few things that we need to do. So this is all done to improve the user interface. So for example, I think one of the things we need to add now is the ability for the users to use more words instead of just the default 3 words that come with the game. Adding a logo to the game. Yeah, bits and bobs like that. So yeah, essentially, let me just skip to step number 1 to do 1. Update the word list to use the word list from hangmanwords.py. Delete this line, word list on okay. Import Hangman words. And then delete this line. Where's that? Okay. I'm assuming I need to delete this actual line. Let's do that. Just word equals hangman. Just word equal random words list. So this needs to be so now we import the module and I need to import the list. So from word hangman underscore words import words underscore list. Don't need you anymore. I do. I might have to delete this, but I'll run the code and see if there's any issues. Yeah, some issues with this. Import hangman underscore words. Might have to delete this one, then it should work. From hangman underscore words, import words underscore list. That makes sense. What? Show some word equals random choice word underscore list. From hangman underscore words, import words list. Line 6. Import error. Alright, cannot import this. From hangman words, import words list. I'm sure that's correct. What's wrong with this? What does that even mean? Hangman was imported but unused. Let me just rewrite this in case there's a spelling. From hangman underscore words, import words underscore list. What? Still error. Cannot import name words list. Hangman's. Oh, it's singular. I always do this. This is why it's important to not make a typo when coding. There we go. There we go. Okay, so step 2 is at the bottom. import the stages from Hangman up and make this error go away. Stages, so from, yeah, that makes sense. From Hangman art, import stages. Okay, no error. Yep, no error. Number 3, import the logo from Hangman Art Pie and print it at the start of the game. Hangman Art Pie, logo there. From Hangman Art, import logo. What's an error? Logo, no, that should be fine. Print logo. Python at the top. Python print top. Okay. So I've got the logo. Step 4. The users enter a letter. They've already got print the letter and let them know. If letter of guess in display, print you you have already used this letter. You already guessed. Guess. Step 5. If the letter is not in the chosen word, print out the letter and let them know it is not in the word. Okay. If print you guessed guess that's not in the word, you lose a life. Okay. No error still. Let's try it again. Remove this. Solutions A, longest that. A, that's not in the word, D is alive. D is not in there. Yep, and I lost. Yep. Let's try that again properly. B, add B to the list. I, T, that, you win. Thanks. Okay. Probably just clean it up and remove to-dos. From replit import clear. Okay, so I just need to clean up all this. Then it should be all fine to play. Replit from replit import clear import random. Boom, boom, boom. Let me refresh. Okay, I won't bore you with this, but yeah, seems like the game is all done and completed. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next lesson, which is day 8. Yeah, today's been a bit